Welcome back to Cali Resin and Stuff. My name is Terry. I am a resin artist. I do love crafting with resin, but I also love stuff. And the stuff I'm going to talk about today is my HomeGoods haul. I went to HomeGoods looking for one thing in particular, and of course I came out with several. I set myself up, I know. Right at the entrance of the store were these bubble-like vases that I had saw on Etsy, but they were very pricey on Etsy. And they had different variations that range from about $7.99 to $12.99 each. I got this one and this one. This one, and finally this one. I think they're so adorable. The glass is pretty thin, so you gotta be careful, very fragile, but I can just see this in a cluster on a shelf or on my desk. And they had a whole pink section. And I found this little, what is it called? A flip clock. I think I remember this when I was younger. I'm not sure. But this was just too cute. And not only does it have the time, but it has the date. And it's kind of fun just pressing, changing the date. So this was cool. And I found that was, I think it was $12.90. Oh, there it is, $9.99. $9.99. This is a desk organizer. I like how it looks like, I guess it's plywood, but it has that clean white trim, and I just had to get that. And it had a matching tray for letters, or I thought that was really cool. The tray was $14.99 and the desk organizer was $12.99. I finally found what I went in the store for, and that's these little, I wanted some wicker-like or straw-like storage baskets. I had been using these bins from the Dollar Tree, but I wanted a more cohesive look for the room's aesthetics. And they had exactly what I was looking for, and I found two of them, or three of them. I got three of them for $9.99 each. Good deal. On Amazon, I saw a 4-pack for like 60 bucks. I said, let me try HomeGoods. And finally, I got my gnome. I'm telling you, this is the cutest little gnome. I love a good deal. I'm a sucker for a deal, but I am appalled that someone did not see the value in my gnome and did not feel like it was worth $14.99 and marked it down. I got it for $12. One of the things I am most passionate about is interior design. I have more collections to share with you and more rooms to decorate. I'd love for you to stick around. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!